Imagine earning $3,000 a day, every single day. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in pool funding, it's not just a dream, it's a goal within reach for anyone who's willing to take the leap. But here's the thing. If you don't fully understand how you get paid in pool funding, you might miss out on this life-changing opportunity. So let's break it down and make it crystal clear. First, let's toss out any doubts or disbelief you might have. This isn't just for a select few. Pool funding was built to make significant income accessible to the masses, including you. Yes, you. Imagine pulling in $3,000 a day. Over a year, that's over $1 million. It's not just a number, it's a ticket to financial freedom. So how do we make that happen? Your daily task. Simple, quick, and automated. Here's the magic. Your daily task takes less than 30 seconds. All you need to do is click the Pay Now button, confirm the transaction in your MetaMask Digital Wallet, and boom, you're done. If you're working across all 4 pools, this process still takes less than 2 minutes total. Starting out, you'll focus on one or both of our starter pools. Once you've clicked Pay Now, the button disappears for 20 hours. When it comes back, you'll have an 8-hour window to complete the next payment and stay active. To keep things easy, just aim to make your payment around the same time each day. How you earn. We call all our members co-founders, soon to be partners. And here's why. You get 100% of whatever you build. No middleman, no hidden fees, just pure earnings. Each pool operates with its own market-based coin. And when you refer others, we call them referrals, their payments go straight into your MetaMask wallet. These payments are made in USDT, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. So 1 USDT equals $1 in cash. Easy to understand, easy to use. When your referrals click Pay Now, they receive coins equal to the market value at that moment. These coins season for 90 days, after which they're deposited into their wallets. As long as you stay active, you earn from your referrals daily. If you miss a payment, though, those earnings go into our guarantee fund. A simple example. Let's say you're in the $1 pool and have one referral doing the same. Every time they click Pay Now, their $1 USDT payment goes directly into your wallet. Meanwhile, you're both accumulating PFI coins daily. After 90 days, those coins are ready to sell, and chances are their value has increased. Hold on to them until you get the price you want, or use them to purchase from our growing list of products and services. Now imagine scaling this up with unlimited referrals. The possibilities? Endless. Tools to help you succeed. We know getting referrals can feel daunting, so we've made it as easy as possible. You can purchase paid signups for the $10 pool at a very affordable rate, a done-for-you solution. Want to supercharge your efforts? Hire an AI agent to call prospects and close deals for you automatically. Our goal is to help you build momentum quickly. With just 4 motivated referrals, you can climb to the $1,000 pool, where the real magic happens. 4 referrals sending $1,000 each daily equals $4,000 in revenue. After paying your $1,000 daily task, that's $3,000 in positive cash flow. Do this consistently, and you're officially a millionaire. How long will it take? That's the million-dollar question, literally. Some of you will hit this milestone within your first month. Most of you can achieve it within a year. The key is taking this opportunity seriously and staying consistent. So the real question is, how fast will you become a millionaire with pool funding? This isn't just an opportunity. It's a pathway to the life you've always wanted. Take action today. Get back to the person who sent you here and ask for their personal registration link. Let's make this happen together.